These giant birds can't fly, but you still shouldn't mess with them. First, the ostrich, the biggest bird on Earth. It can run faster than a racehorse, and one kick from those legs can seriously injure a lion. Next, the cassowary, a real-life dinosaur bird from Australia. It has a dagger-like claw on each foot and can jump and kick forward like a living weapon. And then the emu. It looks goofy, but it can sprint at high speed and just keeps running when most animals would give up. Which one scares you the most? Comment your pick and follow for more nature facts.